When it comes to home improvements that enhance both aesthetics and functionality, bow windows are a standout choice. These elegant, outward curving windows create a stunning focal point that can transform any room. For homeowners in Orangeburg, adding bow windows isn't just a design upgrade, it's an investment that can significantly boost the value of your property. In this article, we'll explore how bow windows can increase your home's value and why they're a smart addition for Orangeburg properties. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, especially when it comes to selling your home. Bow windows add a touch of elegance and architectural interest to your home's exterior, instantly elevating its curb appeal. The gentle curve of a bow window projects outward, adding depth and dimension to an otherwise flat facade. Whether your home is traditional, contemporary, or somewhere in between, bow windows can complement its style while creating a more visually appealing exterior. In Orangeburg, where tree-lined streets and picturesque neighborhoods are part of the charm, bow windows help your home stand out and make a lasting impression on potential buyers. Maximized natural light. One of the most sought-after features in a home is abundant natural light, and bow windows deliver this in spades. By incorporating 4 or more glass panels arranged in a graceful arc, these windows allow sunlight to pour into your living spaces from multiple angles. For Orangeburg homeowners, this means brighter, more inviting interiors that feel open and airy. Natural light not only enhances the mood and atmosphere of your home but also highlights interior features like flooring, furniture, and decor, making them more attractive to prospective buyers. Added interior space and functionality. Bow windows project outward, creating additional interior space that can be used in creative ways. This extra square footage, though small, adds functionality and appeal to your home. Window seats. Install a cushioned bench to create a cozy nook for reading or relaxing. Display areas. Use the space to showcase plants, artwork, or decorative items. Dining alcoves. Create an intimate breakfast area or extend your dining space. This added functionality enhances the usability of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers in Orangeburg's competitive real estate market. Increased energy efficiency. Modern bow windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind, featuring insulated frames, double or triple pane glass, and low-E coatings to reduce heat transfer. These features help Orangeburg homeowners save on energy bills while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Energy-efficient upgrades are a significant selling point for buyers who prioritize sustainability and lower utility costs. Installing energy-efficient bow windows can increase your home's market value while reducing your environmental footprint. Improved home aesthetics. Bow windows are as beautiful inside as they are outside. They create a dramatic focal point in any room, enhancing its overall aesthetic. Whether installed in a living room, bedroom, or dining area, bow windows add a sense of luxury and sophistication that buyers are willing to pay a premium for. For Orangeburg homeowners, incorporating bow windows can make your home feel more upscale and stylish, appealing to buyers looking for a unique and elegant property. Boosted property value. By improving curb appeal, interior aesthetics, and energy efficiency, Bow Windows can significantly increase the resale value of your Orangeburg home. They're a high-impact upgrade that offers both immediate enjoyment and long-term financial benefits. According to real estate experts, homes with upgraded, energy-efficient windows, especially design-forward options like Bow Windows, tend to sell faster and at higher prices. For Orangeburg homeowners, this means a strong return on investment when it's time to sell. A unique selling point. Not every home in Orangeburg features Bow Windows, making them a unique and desirable feature. Their distinct design sets your property apart from others on the market, giving you a competitive edge when attracting buyers. In a market where buyers are often drawn to homes with standout features, Bow Windows can make all the difference in closing a sale. A timeless addition. Unlike some home trends that come and go, Bow Windows offer timeless appeal. Their classic design has been popular for generations and continues to be a favorite among homeowners and designers alike. By choosing Bow Windows, you're making an upgrade that will remain stylish and valuable for years to come. Conclusion. Bow Windows are more than just a beautiful addition to your Orangeburg home. They're a strategic investment that can increase its value and appeal. From boosting curb appeal to enhancing interior functionality and improving energy efficiency, these windows offer a wide range of benefits that make them a must-have feature for homeowners. If you're considering upgrading your home, Bow Windows are a smart choice that combines elegance, practicality, and lasting value. Consult a local Orangeburg window specialist to explore your options and discover how Bow Windows can transform your home. Whether you're staying in your home for years to come or planning to sell in the future, Bow Windows are an upgrade that pays off in more ways than one.